Here we've got Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first you need to enroll the list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here they are, and now click on password and security. Here you will notice fingerprint, so smoothly mark it, and then draw your unlock pattern. If you do not have your like pattern or pin code on your lock screen, you will have to provide it right now, as it works also as the backup to your fingerprint. And then either if it's entered or just provided, just input your fingerprint right here. So let me just grab my phone and just keep tapping till it's fully added. So lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor, and within a couple of seconds it will be done. Just the finish edges, and that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, so just like this, or you can use your backup pattern. So smoothly enter it, and that's it. So that will be all. So you can activate fingerprint, how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.